This is how to make money testing apps. In this video, I'll be taking you through how you can make money with UTest. UTest is a company with a great platform that will help you become a professional tester. Who are testers? Testers are individuals that test different new products and services on different platforms like apps, websites for big companies online. The great thing about this company is that this company will train you to become a professional tester. They have over 25 modules about how to test different devices on different platforms. All you need to do is to sit down, subject yourself to this training, and start taking jobs, and you'll be making money in dollars directly to any bank account in Nigeria. This company accepts and pay Nigerians, and the good thing is that if you are a good tester already, you just start taking jobs immediately. Firstly, my name is John from Ask JOFA. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell. You get to know whenever I publish my new videos every week. Testers are professionals and they earn big online. All you need to do is to sign up with UTest. I'll be taking you to how to sign up to become a professional tester, and you can start taking job. I'll be showing you different modules of the training that you take, and if you are good and know your way around testing apps and websites before, I'll be showing you how you can start working and making money in dollars from home in Nigeria. And you will get to know how to collect your money directly to any bank account in your country and in Nigeria. So let's do it. This is how to make money testing app with UTest. This is UTest website. You can see earn money and learn new skills. It is very important you watch this video to the end, because I'll be showing you how to set up your payment from Nigeria such that you'll be able to collect your money in dollars. The setting up of payment is a bit different on this platform, so ensure you watch this video to the end, please. Okay, this is where you sign up, become a UTester. Look at it, learn new skills, grow and connect. On this platform, they have an academy for testers. You'll be trained how to do app testing, and it can change your life forever. And it's not compulsory you do the training if you know how to do app testing before. How UTest work, look at it, you learn, then you earn. That is, you'll be able to make money. The good thing about this platform is that they accept and pay Nigerians. They accept testers from all over the world. They have over 1 million testers with over 10,000 new testers every month that apply to them. So they paid millions to tester monthly in dollars. So they've been around since 2007. You see the link below the description of this video. Click become a tester. The signing up process is very simple and seamless. So you input your name, your email address, your date of birth, then you select your language, then you click next. You need to add your address. You click next. The stage 3 of this is where you select your devices, because it is about testing apps. They need to know different type of devices you have. The more devices, the more job for you. You register them here. So look at it. This is where you select different brand of the devices that you have. You can see you select your computer, the operating system, the version. You can check the kind of computer you have. After you selected your computer, your mobile phone, you select the brand. You just select the brand of your phone. After the selection of your brand, you state the model here. These are different brands of smartphone. It is very important because they need it when you are doing your testing. You select the model of the type of smartphone that you are selecting, then the operating system of your smartphone, then you click next. That will be the end of the registration. As soon as you finish registration, this is how the inside of the platform is. It is very important you watch this video to the point where I'm going to set up your payment. It's very key, so that you'll be able to get your money directly to your domiciliary account in any bank in Nigeria. The first thing you need to do is to come here, click this arrow, look at it, tester profile, click it. This is where you fill your information and verify your identity for you to get more jobs. You upload your picture here, you fill your name, your phone number. Look at it. Verifying your identity can make you eligible to receive invitation to a broader range of projects. This will give you more edge to get more jobs. You'll be able to see that you create your account, you confirm your email. This is academy. You click it. These are different modules of courses on this platform that you will take, and the good thing is that it is free. You don't need to pay for this, and it can change your life. This is your project. That is project that is attached to you. All you need to do is to click this place and be able to see what you have on the project board. So this is the project board. These are different jobs currently, functional testing project for iPhone users worldwide, including Nigeria. Look at it. Visit a museum and get paid. So these are different projects that you have and you get paid. Look at get paid to play game worldwide. Earn up to 150 testing a banking application on your platform. You'll be able to see this. Set up payment method. So you click this place. You scroll down, look at it. Payment method. Then look at it. So you click set up. So by the time you set up, the one for Nigeria is this. You click Pioneer. This is very important. Look at it. You will not click this one. You will not click this one. It's this one you click. Why? So before you even come here at all, you first of all use the link below the description of my video to sign up to your Pioneer account. If you use that link, Pioneer will give you a gift of $25 on my behalf as soon as you sign up and you meet their condition. So you now click this place. Look at what they wrote. I have my own Pioneer account that I would like to link to UTest. So you click next. If your link is not responding, all you need to do is to click change. Then you come here. You now scroll down. I have never linked a Pioneer account to UTest before. So you click here that you are here to link your Pioneer account. Since you have a Pioneer account before, you click this place. You now click next. So you now click this link. So this link now will take you to Pioneer. You now sign up with your Pioneer account. That is after you must have used the link below the description of this video. Your sign up profile you use when you created that account, that's what you are going to use here. Then it will instantly attach your Pioneer account to the platform. As soon as you link your Pioneer account, then you can come back to this place and start working. You can always attach more of your devices. The more devices you have, the more job you get to do on the platform. All you need to do is either start learning or you start taking jobs. So this is how to make money testing apps and websites using UTest platform to make money testing apps online from Nigeria. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video to sign up. Watch this video to the end. It is very important for an important tip. Thank you. You now know all you need to become a great tester. All you need to do now is to start making money. Don't forget that you can collect your money from various projects you do with UTest using Pioneer. Ensure you use my Pioneer link below the description of this video. Pioneer will give you a gift of $25 for doing that. I earlier promised to introduce to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world that changed my life. I'm an affiliate marketer working full-time online from home in Nigeria. I learned everything I knew, including becoming a YouTuber, via this #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world for beginners. You can learn from this company today. All you need to do is to sign up and start the training. Watch this video. You'll be able to see how I started with them, how you can join from Nigeria. You'll be able to see my success stories and many success stories of other people, and it can change your life forever. It will be great if you sign up to my free email affiliate marketing training. It is just 5 days. You will have a rough overview of what affiliate marketing is all about. Kindly drop your comment. I will get back to you. Subscribe to this video and click that notification bell. You'll be able to know whenever I publish my new videos every week. The next 2 videos that I suggest you watch, the first one is about how to make $100 daily as an affiliate marketer from Nigeria. And the last is how to join the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. Ensure you use my link when you are signing up. It can change your life. Thank you for watching this video and God bless you. Bye for now.